We're fishing at, what is this? 113. I don't know the name of the park.
Central Schuylkill River Park.
Yeah.
The farm park.
The farm park.
That's what we call it.
We're here on the bank because it's very stormy. It's gonna be a very stormy day. We're trying to catch some carp, catfish, and whatever.
And the only reason that we're fishing from the bank today is because there's rain coming down. We got our raincoats on, and the weather's just a little bit too nasty to take the kayaks out on the lake for bass fishing and muskie fishing. So we're gonna go for some big old cats if we could catch them.
Okay, so we got the rod set up here. I got 2 rods. Well, plus for the one for the sunfish, and Gene got his rods over there. And oh, he's got a little action, look like.
Well, I don't care what we catch, Ed. You know,
That's
we're
it.
just here to have fun.
That's
and enjoy
it.
life. And
We'll get them. It's just a matter of when they get hungry.
as soon as we catch something, we'll make sure we film it.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
That's my drag. I think I do have something now. Whoa.
You look like got something.
Whoa, he's running.
Tighten up that drag, dude.
Oh, this is big.
Oh no!
I think I lost. Oh, I still got him. Maybe it's not that big. It's coming in.
Oh, this is
Like
great.
swimming up.
I got him. I lost him. I got him.
I don't know if I have them anymore. Nah, I think I lost it.
How can you have him and lose him 6 times?
That's me, Ed. I always lose everything I try to catch. You should know that about me. Oh no, it's right here. Can't be that big. Whoa.
That's a nice one. Hi, Gene. Gene estimating. How big would you say that is, Gene?
I would say it's
4 footer?
5 inches.
A 4 footer?
Oh, it's fun catching these. Man, this guy's like,
Really? Aren't they something?
I'm going to swing him up your way, Ed.
Okay.
Heads up.
Oh!
Oh, I better
Knocked
tighten
him
that
out.
drag before I swing him up.
Hey! All right! All right!
All
Yeah, that's a nice one.
It's not bad. It's pretty clean. He's got
What-
the spots on him.
Yeah, yeah. That's a very nice fish.
Okay. Look at that.
Oh,
Nice
yeah.
caddy.
Yeah, hold him up in front of you.
Oh, okay. There we go. It's fat.
Yeah, put it over to your face. There you go.
Yeah,
This way, this way.
He's talking to me.
There you
Yeah,
go.
he looked him up in the
Okay.
eye and I got a bad
There we
shoulder.
go. Oh, okay, sorry. All right.